This is the ready machine. When we delivery, we will have this inside. 拿开看。These are the parts together. Welding head. And this. On the back side, we have the external signals for the chain making machine. This for the sensor. This for the chain machine alarm can work or not work. Here, 这里是接哪里？是 Here is for the power supply cable. 这个不用开是吧？This need to open the head comes from here. This is the water tank, and here is for the chiller. 再开一下侧门。This side is for the laser. Okay, the other side. 再开一下另外一边。This is for the chiller, so you cannot see the cables in the machine. The cables are inside here. Okay.
关掉。
打开看线接线。
把这个剪掉是吧？